Have you ever wondered where our Swiss business class seats are produced? Come and follow me in the factory of Stelia Aerospace here in Rochefort. Bonjour à tous et bienvenue à Rochefort. In this episode of Swiss Behind the Wings, we are meeting the people who developed and now are producing our new Swiss business class seat in Swiss senses. Ah, bonjour Gladys, comment ça va?
Bonjour Nico, comment ça va?
Très bien, merci. Thank you so much for hosting us today here
You're
in
welcome.
Rochefort.
So welcome in our production line.
Oh wow, that's incredible. It's so a big hall here.
Yeah.
Crazy. And this is the place where all the seats are built up?
Yes, correct. So from the beginning until the end, until the delivery in Toulouse. So everything starts here. Even the development started here.
Really? Where's
Yes.
the developing starting?
So here we have our office and
Yeah.
all the support team is here.
And here in the hall, how long will the Swiss seats be here? Is it like only for this month or will it be for a longer period?
No, I hope for a long period. But we started, let's say, the journey 2 years ago with the development. And now we are starting the production. And here you will see the production of the second aircraft ongoing. And we have started even the third aircraft.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, wow. And maybe we can have a look at the seats
Okay.
now.
So let's
Thank
do
you so
this.
much. Gladys, what do we see here? Is it kind of the first step?
Yes, part of the it's, let's say, the main first step in production. So we have the shelf arriving. First step is really to do all the clamping on the shelf. Then we do all the wiring. So you have an example here. We see the clamps. We see all the wiring. So that's, let's say, the electrical phases.
Yeah.
Then we have a quality check. And then we will start with the next phase. It's the mechanical phases, if we can say, when we installed the finished part to cover all the electrical parts.
Very interesting, and I've never seen inside of a seat, like with so many cables and screws and everything. That's insane.
We can't imagine everything what is behind a seat. When we see the seat full finished, yes, there's a lot behind.
Crazy, I've never imagined that. And this is now the second step, the mechanical step.
Yes, correct. So when the electrical step is finished, so then we will start with the mechanical step. We cover all the electrical parts. And here we can see that they have started to install the cover. And we can start to see some movement.
Wow, insane, crazy. And this will be seat 5 kilo.
Yeah, that's the item 5K. So that's the name of the seat that you will have on the aircraft.
That's insane. This will be a seat in one of our
second aircraft.
A350s.
Yes. So here we are just testing the seats. So we are doing an ATP, acceptance test procedure, to test all the lights, to test the IFE, to test that if everything is okay. We do it for the environment and we do it for the seats too.
And now, like the seat as itself, like the seat cover and everything isn't here yet. When will it be like built up, like the whole seat with the seat cushion and everything?
So maybe we can see a seat fully finished, ready to be shipped. So this one is ready to be shipped. So there is not all the parts because we are sending some parts in as kit parts, let's say, to don't damage them during the transport. So we are finalizing, let's say, the seats, then we are shipping a box next to it.
It's so nice to see like how it, like part by part, it's getting to a full seat then.
It's really good to see it, and I was really proud of it.
Yeah, I believe so.
So here we have the meal table.
Yes. Oh wow, that's a nice feature.
Yes. So and you are seated here, and then
that's crazy. Oh, I like the design, how it's like coming from the side and not from the front. That's very nice. Wow, that's a nice feature. It's only in this kind of seat, or is it in every seat like this one?
You know what? We have a different table for every seat, so it was really fun during development. I can show you the divider, maybe.
Yeah. This is if you're traveling alone, huh?
Yeah, or you don't want to see your wife or your husband.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened during the travel.
Yeah, maybe because of the second teaser, maybe, yeah.
And then here you have a drawer where you can put your bottle.
Ah, I see. And the headphones as well?
Correct, yes.
Ah, very nice.
So you will have a wireless charger on every seat, yes.
Wow. There in the front, I see the Swiss business class suite. On a first inspection, it looks very big. That's
a lot
very
of
nice.
space, huh?
Yeah, a lot of space.
And you know what? On this one, we have a door.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's a cool privacy upgrade.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice, yeah.
So you have more privacy, and then here you have a door.
Yeah.
So again, more privacy.
And this looks like a storage compartment, kind of.
Yeah, you're right. So it's the storage between the business class and the first class.
And here we see the seat structure, right?
Yes, so here you're on the production line of the seats. So here we are doing only seats. We are at different stage, but we are doing the full assembly of the seats at one station. Here we are really at the beginning of the assembly. And here a more advanced seat structure.
And we of course see the seat heating and cooling of
Yes.
Genova. We've seen in the past episodes.
Yes.
So interesting.
And do you want to see it fully finished? So then you will see the fabric from Lantal that from another episode I think you get.
Do you have a seat here?
Yes. So, have a seat.
Thank you so much. And of course it's very comfortable.
Oh, of course, yes. So here you can adjust the headrest as wanted.
Yeah.
And then there is some movement. So here you see it's not connected to the electricity.
These over here, these are already the shipments.
Yeah, you're right. It's ready to be shipped in Toulouse. So it has been controlled and all paperwork done. So ready to be shipped.
Thank you so much for showing me around the facility and showing me all the little steps it needs to have at the end a completely functional
You're
seat.
welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
have
very
a good
much.
time. All the best to you.
Bye-bye.
After the production tour here in the production facility, I'm so glad that I'm joined by Mark Bitterli. He's in charge of the seat product and the seat interior of our new Swiss Senses cabin. Hi Mark, how are you doing?
Hey Nico.
How have you felt this morning when you arrived here and saw this seat here in live and not only as a rendering?
So far we have seen the renderings, we have seen technical drawings, working with those assets for years, and then finally seeing the result, it's just wow, you know. We have different seat types, so there is not the business class seat. And the great thing about this is that we have basically a seat for every guest traveler taste. Yeah? Some of our guests, they like the open space of a commercial jet. On the other hand side, we have customers that really cherish privacy. And for those customers, we have suites, business suites with doors, so they can basically decide on their own, you know, do I want to interact now with the crew, with the other guests, or do I want to be by myself? And then we have, of course, like what you see here behind me, Nico, is my favorite seat type. Yes, it's what we call the... Yes, exactly, yeah. I'm glad you actually recognized it. It's what we call the throne, because it has these two surfaces where the customer can basically put his personal items on. And it's a very private seat, not because it has a door, it actually comes without a door. Imagine a customer basically sitting here or lying here. He has no eye contact whatsoever to passengers passing by. And on top of that, I would like to highlight the Swiss trim and finish.
It's beautiful.
It is, right?
The wooden part here, the black part.
Precisely.
I love it.
We try to really create a brand image that comes along with creating a cocooning effect. It works with warm colors, with darker colors. There's a Bordeaux, the seat will be in a Bordeaux color. And this all together creates a cocooning atmosphere. And that's what we want our guests to enjoy.
That's so nice, and you already found your favorite type of seat. Thank you so much, Mark, for your time and showing me around and explaining all the different topics, and I wish you all the best.
Thanks, Nico.
Bye.
Bye.
It was such an interesting day here at Stelia Aerospace, and we learned so much more about our new Swiss business. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Swiss Behind the Wings, and see you next time.